3 years ago, this park was a mess. People were trashing it. There was trash everywhere. This is right behind our house. And nobody did anything about it, so I waited and waited. With my hernia, I went out there and started cleaning the hell out of this place in front of everybody. And these people out here that hung out at the park, at the dog park, they all saw me. They finally started bitching at the park people, the city. And now look at it. I've been keeping it up on it. The park cleaners, people who come to clean up the park are keeping up on it. For some reason, 3 years ago, they all just let it go. Right down there was a huge mess left by somebody had a family reunion. I sat there for 1 year. I waited and looked and waited and waited and waited. And finally I cleaned it all up. Now look at it. It's pristine. Because I made him watch me clean it with my hernia. Tired as fuck. In front of young people who sat there and did nothing. And they finally got in their head they need to start cleaning themselves. And they clean up after themselves now. And that's what we need to do, all of us. We need to clean up our shit and stop bullshitting around, and fucking up everything, and throwing trash out the windows for no good fucking reason when you can take it to your fucking garbage in your house. Take it and put it away. Don't throw it in the fucking parks and the backyards and out your window in the forest. What the hell's wrong with you people? Something fucking wrong with you. Destroying our planet. Something wrong with you. Wake the fuck up.